I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Messenger. For that, first of all, open up your Messenger app on your phone. After you open up your app, scroll to find the conversation you want to delete. After that, slide from right to left on the conversation you want to delete. Tap on More to get more options. And then tap on Delete. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you want to permanently delete the conversation. Tap on Delete. This way you can easily delete messages on Messenger. But you'll have to keep in mind that when you delete messages, you are only removing them for your Messenger account. The messages will still be available to whoever you were having conversation with. If you found this video useful and want to watch other tutorial videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.